The Dr. Niedermeyer Farmer method of Cascade fermentation. Fresh ingredients grown under controlled organic conditions are adapted in a well-balanced proportion to the required nutritional needs of the human organism. The Dr. Niedermeyer Farmer method of Cascade fermentation is made up of the following production processes. To start with, the fresh ingredients are reduced into small pieces in a specific sequence and filled into a fermenter. Added to the mixture in the second step are microorganisms that produce dextrorotary lactic acid. After about 2 days, the first fermentation then begins. In the third step, after around 3 weeks, the first partial filtration is done. This filtration is then prepared for fermentation again, adding other lactobacteria that produce dextrorotary lactic acid. Further stages of fermentation based on this principle then follow. In this way, an even finer decomposition of the contents is achieved. In the end, after all of the fermentation fractions are brought together and given a final cleaning, the ingredients are in a uniquely disintegrated state. Short-chain peptides and individual amino acids have developed, which our body immediately absorbs and can utilize for its own purposes. All in all, Cascade fermented supplements have exceptional bioavailability thanks to their biochemical reactivity and high vibration potential. That means regulation of metabolism and enzymatic activity, revitalization, immunostimulation, and detoxification. Responsible for this is the dynamic fermentation formula that implies a transfer of information from partial fermentation to partial fermentation. As in homeopathy, only with the difference that there is no dilution. Thanks to the special and non-harmful production process, there is no need to use preservatives, chemical additives, or alcohol. The patent specification for this Cascade fermentation method of production was issued by the European Patent Office on the 17th of November 2004.